Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up an LLC using Tailor Brands. It's an AI-powered platform that handles the entire business formation process in one place, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step. My link is in the description below, and there's a QR code on screen that you can scan to go directly to the site. So today I'm going to be forming an LLC for my new app that I am launching. As you can see, it has a guided onboarding process that helps you get started. So you just select next. So you just select your state, and it populates a lot of the information for your state. Mine will be in Utah, so this will be different for each state that you select. So you type in what type of business you're trying to form, hit next. You select how many employees or who is involved with the business. You select your target customers. You just select whatever answer applies the best for your business. It will ask about business expenses. It uses AI to analyze your answers and figure out exactly what you need. And as you can see, it's just pulling a lot of different information and figuring out what package to give you to form your LLC. So it starts your business blueprint. I will just click next. I want to do the Utah LLC, so I'll hit next. And then it shows some information about what you want. If you don't want any of this, you can unselect it, or you can hit add if you want to select it back. You can also hit the question mark if you're curious about what this means. It will ask about branding, if you need any help with branding or registering a domain. I'm going to register. I'll just use my Gmail. You enter your first and last name and phone number. So it built this custom launch plan for me. You can see it has LLC, permits, privacy, and to help you open a business bank account and bookkeeping, all of these different things. It will show this week as the first tab. You can also click on quarterly or yearly, and then you can click on let Tailor take care of it. And this will all be different, this pricing, depending on what you need and what you selected. This is the plan that it gave me, the Essential LLC plan, and it does include the EIN and LLC formation kit. And what's due today is $199. If you've ever created an LLC before without this program, which I have, I've created a couple different LLCs in the past. Connecting all of it, getting all of my business information in one place is honestly really difficult and usually involves a lot of trying to find which website to go to and sometimes going to the wrong website. And just personally, I've dealt with that a lot. So I honestly think that this is really convenient compared to the traditional way of setting up an LLC. So I'm definitely going to do this. I'm going to hit continue to payment, and then you just enter your credit card information. After you've submitted the payment, it'll ask you a couple more questions. You can enter in the business name that you prefer and then a backup name. So I'm going to enter Noma, which is the name of my app, and the backup name would be to call it Noma app. And then you select what type of business you want to form. I'm just going to select LLC. So this will ask you if you want a registered agent. This is a requirement in Utah, so you might not see the same requirement. You can also have the option to do it yourself. Once you've filled out your information, you will select the main business activity. I selected other and just typed in an overview of what it is. And then you select the business industry by clicking in this box and select the one that fits the closest. You can choose if you want to get updates, if you have employees, and if you're planning on paying yourself a salary, and then hit next. You can then choose if you want to register a virtual mailbox. And now I'm on this page, which is where you review IRS tax requirements. You can say if you expect any other income besides your LLC. I'm going to say I will figure out taxes on my own. And then it asks about receiving customers in a physical location. Once again, this will all be different for you depending on what type of business you're registering. I just Googled this NAICS code for mobile apps and I'm entering it in here. Select if any of these apply to you. And then if you plan on having employees. Then it will have a review where you can see all of the information that you've added, and then you can submit the application. Once you submit it, it might still ask you information. You can always say I'll continue without it or select business documents. Same with trademark information. It will just walk you through a few different things that you can add. Once you've created your account, it actually does have an AI ready to help you get your business all set up. You can take a quick tour and it will walk you through a few different questions about your business. And then the Navi AI finalizes your workspace and brings it to you here. So this page is studio.tailorbrands.com. After you've done your application, it will show you the status of your application. And this is where you can see all of your business information in one place. So that's how you set up an LLC using Tailor Brands. What I appreciate about this platform is that it simplifies what can otherwise feel like a pretty overwhelming process. Filing the right paperwork, getting your registered agent set up, making sure everything is compliant. It walks you through all of it in one place without needing to hire a lawyer or figure it out yourself from scratch. Keep in mind that LLC requirements do vary by by state, so while the process I showed you today is pretty universal, the specific fees and filing timelines will look slightly different depending on where you're forming your business. Always worth double checking your state's specific requirements. One thing I want to be clear about, I'm not a lawyer or a legal advisor, so if you have specific legal questions about your business structure, it's always worth consulting a professional. But for getting the formation process started in a straightforward and affordable way, Tailor Brands is a solid option. Link is in the description and the QR code is on screen. Hit like if this was helpful and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.